Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily charge your MARSHALL WILLEN II using your phone. So, actually to do so, at first you have to prepare the phone itself. It can be every single phone that you like. Here I do have the iPhone, but you can have the phones that have the micro USB, the lightnings, etc. You just have to have an adapter from the Type-C to your cable that your phone has. So this adapter looks exactly like that. Here we can plug our USB Type-C cable and it's micro, but that's not the topic of this video. First we need to plug the USB Type-C cable, the first part of this cable, into our phone, and here we have the second part of the cable. We have to plug it into the charging port located at the side of our speaker. Now our speaker is charging. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.